Good morning, friends. Yesterday I forgot to tell you about the That's a Wrap page. If you would like to, this is an optional if you want to do it. If you skipped over it and didn't want to do it, that's okay too. But this is kind of a way to wrap up our year and take a look back. So you could write your name here, you could draw a picture, or if you have a picture of you, you could put that here. Who your friends are, who your teacher is, your favorite or your fondest memory of this year, and the most liked activity that we've done this year. And then hopes for the next school year. What do you hope will happen or change or be different next school year? And then it has the date on it, so that way you could keep this for many years to come and see what school was like for you back in 2020, 2021. You also have two other pages. So this is like I think they call it a marquee? Not a marquee. That's on movie theater signs. I can't remember exactly what this is called, but when they do movies, they have a little square thing and there's a black and white stripe and they click it before they start filming. So you also have two sheets. So this one says That's a Wrap and this one's just plain. You can choose which one you want and you only need one of them. So I took my scissors home for Mr. Wrenchler to fix because they weren't cutting right. So I can't even cut this out. You're going to cut one of these out, either the solid one or the one that says That's a Wrap. You pick, you need one. One of the ends, you're going to attach it to the top of this paper, okay? If you have a brad fastener, ask your parents what that is if you have one. You can use a brad to attach it to the top so that way it moves. You can use a glue stick or very carefully use liquid glue. It won't move if you use glue. Okay, if you use a brad, it will still glue. You could also staple it. If you staple it, it won't move. I'm trying to think of some other ways, and this is where I was at when I was prepping too, is thinking of ways that you could connect them. If you have a hole punch, you could put a hole through it, but I'm not sure what you would put through the hole to hold it together. Maybe you could use yarn or string if you're careful. But anyways, the idea is you could just save this as a memory page too. But it's supposed to go like this. But if you staple it or glue it, you could glue it closed like this. You could glue it up like this. It's your paper, it's your project, and it's your memories. This is really just a way for you to write about this school year, remember some things that happened this school year, and maybe you keep it and you look back on it. I know I'm one of those people that still has everything that I did back in elementary school so many years ago, and I like to go back and look at it here and there. But that was my idea with it. So you can just do the page, you can do the whole project, or if you're really just not into remembering, then you're really just not into remembering, and right now that's okay. But I hope that you do have fun, and I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you soon.